Good afternoon. Steve from All-Star Case Breaks doing some 2016 Topps Archives Signature Baseball for Niner Card Collector. And the wrong Griffey, though he was a very good player. 26 out of 57. Ken Griffey Sr. 90 Bowman. Far left. Two of three. Not a bad one there. Topps Gold. Anybody remember those back in the day? Mark McGwire Topps Gold. Number 2. Number 2 of 3. That was which year? I should remember that, but it's been a long day. Is that 92 or 93? 93. Okay. Yeah, I think it was 93. They did it a couple years. There we go. Some of these are a little loose, actually. All right, which one next? Far right bottom. Ah, that one's not bad either. No one realized there's some big Olerud collectors, although this one isn't that low numbered. 15 of 26. John Olerud. What's that, 95 finest? No, 2001 finest. Goodness. Yep. He was. He also had if I remember right, had a beautiful left-handed swing, if I remember. Far left top or bottom? John Franco. 2 of 17. From, 2002 Topps Heritage. Yes, you're halfway through. Franco, Olerud, McGwire, and Griffey. Middle bottom. Kevin Mitchell. 18 out of 21. Oh, goodness. This is the official sweepstakes. Yeah, that's right. 90 Bowman. Number 18 of 21. And in these, you could have lithographs of Kevin Mitchell, Jerome Walton, Mark Davis, Robin Yount, Greg Olson, Saberhagen, Bo, Ryan, Will Clark, Mattingly, Gooden. Huh. Okay, far left, sorry. And if we have a McGuire, we need a Canseco. Got the Bash Brothers duel. 13 out of 40. Well, I just got to put these just for the fun of it. McGuire 2 of 3. Canseco 13 of 40. All right, last two. Jim Abbott, who I think has the highest number in here that I've seen. 62 out of 146. And good luck. Yeah, we need the other Griffey. Since we got Griffey Sr., we need a Griffey Jr. Well, nice low number. Number 7 of 7, Sandy Alomar. Yeah, that was a good end to the case. Not bad. Well, thanks, Niner Card Collector. Appreciate it.